If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. 5 keys for personal finance management. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing 5 invaluable tips for personal finance management. Why is personal finance management so important, you ask? It's not just about the numbers. It's about securing your financial well-being and future. So, stick around to the end, because these tips are not only practical but can pave the way to financial stability and success. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Budgeting. First up, we have budgeting. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. Start by listing your income and then break down your expenses into categories like rent, groceries, and entertainment. The key here is to spend less than you earn. Let's say your monthly income is $2,000, allocate specific amounts to each category. For example, $700 for rent, $200 for groceries, and so on. This way, you know exactly where your money is going, and you can avoid overspending. Tip 2. Saving. Now let's talk about saving. It's important to set aside money for emergencies and future goals. Aim to save at least 10% of your income. Think of it as paying yourself first. Let's say you earn $2,000 per month, save $200. Create a separate savings account and watch it grow over time. This fund can be a financial safety net when unexpected expenses pop up, like a car repair or a medical bill. Tip 3. Debt management. Next on the list is debt management. If you have debts, like credit card balances or loans, create a plan to pay them off. Start with high-interest debts first. Let's say you have a credit card with a high interest rate. Pay more than the minimum each month to tackle that interest. As you pay off one debt, use that momentum to tackle the next. It's like a financial domino effect. Tip 4. Insurance. Now, let's talk about insurance. Having the right insurance can protect you from unexpected financial disasters. Health insurance, car insurance, life insurance, and renters or homeowners insurance are essential. Consider this. If you get sick or have a car accident without insurance, the costs can be overwhelming. So, make sure you're covered and review your policies regularly. Tip 5. Retirement planning. Last but certainly not least, retirement planning. Even if retirement feels like a lifetime away, it's never too early to start saving. One way is to take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, like a 401k. If your employer matches your contributions, that's free money. Let's say your employer matches up to 3% of your salary. If you earn $40,000 a year, that's an extra $1,200 for your retirement account. Start early and your future self will thank you later. And there you have it. 5 invaluable tips for personal finance management. Remember, it's all about making small changes that make a big difference over time. Now, the question for you is, which one of these tips will you be implementing first? If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for financial insights and more. Until next time, take care.